Peter and Lily had been here a few days, but they would be leaving soon. I was super happy when they called me and invited me for lunch. Those two men are awesome cooks.
Say something wise, Alex. Oh, too late. Let's get something straight. I don't even want to be here.
That's wise?
This is delicious. If I ever start a channel, remember, I don't like anybody. So, we'll get that right off the bat.
And after a few drinks, me and Peter wanted to go say hi to Marizia. We tried to talk Lily into coming with us, but she didn't want to. So it's just the boys.
This is us in the cab. It's very exciting.
We're gonna go see Marizia.
Marizia's hotel is one of those all-inclusive jails. Can't go in or out, and we were not welcome. We could have snuck in from the beach, but it's such a long friggin' walk from our boats, and we're lazy putzes.
So since Peter and I were denied entrance at the bar,
We were not allowed in.
can you imagine two white dudes like
Tried
us?
to pay.
Yeah.
No.
So we came here, the next best thing, to this cool neighborhood, Barak. And we're out here, and we're the only white dudes here.
What? Racist.
And we're welcome here. Where meanwhile, at the friggin' hotel,
There's a couple people who don't welcome us, but most of them do.
We were not welcome at the hotel.
We were most definitely not welcome.
Not welcome at all. And here we're welcome. This goes to show you. See? Fuck colonialism.
You actually gonna put this online?
I think I will. Much cooler here.
We were welcome here, and the beer was fresh. So you know what? Suck it.
You know, I'm going here. I have to drink a beer, man.
Peter and Lily left the next day. And since we had arrived Friday evening, I waited until Monday to check in with the police. There's no real rush, and it was the weekend. And check this out, man. This is not the place to break down or run out of gas.
All right, just came in from my boat. It's pretty far out there, man. So I moved it up a little closer, and I think it's better. And now I gotta go to the police, check in. I'm gonna leave my dinghy here. It's not the best place, but hopefully kids won't be jumping on it. Because last time we were here, a bunch of kids jumped on it and played around with it and filled it up with water. So hopefully they won't do that here.
Checking in is no big deal. It's an inconvenience at worst. There's only one officer on duty here, so you may have to wait a little bit. But not long. Plus he's cool and the process takes about 10 minutes. With some small talk. After that, I got some groceries. We drank all the soda and ate all the cheese and stuff. And everything here is so much more expensive because of the damn tourists.
Look who's here, it's Paolo. Ciao, Paolo. Huh?
Paulo's here with his boat Borjados, trying to get some of that tourist business.
I'm all alone here. No more babes, no more girls. That's all right. I kind of needed a break from all that. The thing is that I'm going to see Marizia on Friday. She sent me a message and she wants to hang out with me on Friday. I'm like, how cool is that, you know? You'd think that there's other people she want to hang out with that, you know, are at her new hotel. But no, she wants to hang out with me. It's really cool here. Because there's no one here. There is one neighbor here, this German guy that I met a while back. He's kind of weird, kooky dude. Hard to explain. He came over and had a drink with me, but then I could have invited him for dinner, and then I thought, no, then I'll be stuck with the guy longer. So that's what I do. That's usually my my tactic. I don't offer too much, and then eventually they split. People that don't want to hang around too much. He told me his stories of going to the Gambia and other places in his little tiny boat. I gotta hand it to him, he's brave with what he's sailing with. He came all the way from northern Germany. So anyways, I give him lots of credit for that and a lot of respect for that, but apparently he caused a bunch of crap in the Gambia and he threw him out. And apparently it's really hard to get, you know, booted out of the Gambia because everybody's really cool over there. So I was glad for him to go. So what do you do when you're an anchor here and I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere? Well, I do a lot of video and stuff. It's kind of nice, focus on what I have to do. I also do absolutely nothing. I do check some things on my boat. And then, since there's no one here, you can kind of do whatever you want, you know? So, flip side of solitude. No one tells you what to do. When, how, where. And today, I think I might make myself a Swiss fondue. Isn't that crazy? I'm here in Cabo Verde, the island of Boa Vista. They call it the Bermuda of Cape Verde because of the beautiful clear blue water. And I'm gonna have a fondue, but I'm hungry. So there. And I should check my anchor. What's that? A boat. Wow. Man, damn these bastards in their fishing boat. Oh. Hey, come right next to me. Motorboats. Yeah. I think I need a shave. The other thing is about being out here by yourself. Well, you don't use much power, don't use much water. Because I don't need to wash, really. There's no one around. And it's not that hot, not too sweaty. So... Alright, fine. Am I talking to myself? Or am I talking to you? It's kind of nice to talk to somebody. If you're there. So, well, that's not true. We got internet. I talked to my dad for about half hour. He used up all my credits. That's my gigabyte credits. So that's why I had to go into town to get some more credits. So I could go online and do stuff that's important.
And when I'm alone, my mind plays with me, talks to me. I have conversations with people in my head, usually women.
And I'm focused too much on women when I was in São Vicente, because they're everywhere and they're too beautiful. And then in particular one that, you know, kind of got to me, got under my skin, got into my heart. So, but she did post a picture of her on my boat, on her Facebook stories thing, and I said she looked really hot. She actually responded. I told her I missed her. She didn't respond, she just put a heart emoji. Damn it, you got into my heart.
Yeah, so me and Marizia went out for lunch. She has a day off today from working. She's been working and working and working, right?
I'm tired.
So she has a day off and we went to look for a place to eat. We've walked everywhere. This place is like dead. It's not like São Vicente, right?
Nothing to do.
So we finally found a place to eat, and we had to find a place to buy cookies for her friend. And then now we just want to go, we don't know. We're trying to find a place to have an ice cream. Can't find it. So maybe we're gonna go to the beach bar and have a beer there on the beach.
Yes.
Just relax a little
Best
bit.
thing here on the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, the only thing maybe.
And tonight we're supposed to meet at 11 o'clock to go do something and go hang out at night. So let's see. Let's go to the beach bar now.
This is a proper beach bar. I mean, if they serve beer. Look at this place. Got a view of my boat, nice chairs. If only it was open and served a beer. But they had herb-flavored grog. Good enough for me and my sister Grog. And then they closed up. We had to go. But a few steps away was this spot.
So me and Marizia found another beach bar that's open. We just got kicked out of the other beach bar. It's really quiet here in Boa Vista. Oh, the koozie. Lo sai qual è? In inglese è un koozie.
Yeah. I'm tired, but no stress.
We're gonna relax and then tonight we're going out.
Thank you.
11 o'clock we're supposed to meet. Yeah. Cavazassi, man.
I want to go somewhere.
She misses San Vicente.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm good here.
Give it a month. You have to wait 1 month.
No more.
More. At least 1 month. If it sucks after 1 month,
Yeah.
ciao. Christmas, New Year's, San Vicente. For sure. Huh?
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe you don't know.
Yeah, we were out until about 4 in the morning. Not like the all-nighters we pulled in San Vicente. And the next day, the girls came out to hang out on Galopin. Marizia wanted me to make spaghetti bolognese. All 3 co-workers wanted to come, but Joyce had to work. Only Lori came with Marizia, and we just chilled. These are busy working women now. They need to relax and charge their batteries.
Look, it's my new crew!
Hey, it was great to have you aboard on this voyage. So if you enjoyed your trip, leave a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. We promise you a good time every Wednesday, man. So welcome aboard.